This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to see permutation and combination. So, continuation of principles of counting. If you haven't watched principles of counting, go watch that video. That is based for permutation and combination. Okay, as well as you need to know factorials. We all know factorials. Let's get started. What is permutation and combination? Before of that, we need to know factorials. So, for example, factorial n factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on 2 into 1. At the end, you should end with 1. So, starts from the number until 1. When you expand that, that is factorials. Factorial is what we will use throughout permutation and combination. Okay. So, you should be knowing factorials. Okay. First, what is permutation and combination? So, permutation means nothing but selecting and arranging. So, you have to select certain members and assign certain job to them. For example, there are 5 members. You have to select 2 members means. So, that is combination. You have to select and arrange. You have to select those 2 and assign for both them a job. Like, for example, one as captain and another one as vice captain means that is permutation. So, permutation means selection and arrangement. You have to select people as well as arrange them, assign them certain job and all. So, if it is comes to combination, just selection alone. What is arrangement? We'll see what is arrangement. Selection means we know that out of 5 we have to take 2 means. So, out of 5 I am going to take 2. What is arrangement? Arrangement means nothing but assigning, altering their position. For example, let's see, arrange ABC. There are 3 members ABC are there. Arrange them in order means. So, you can write this as ABC or ACB or BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. This is arrangement. If there are 3 members, you are arranging means 3 factorial ways you can arrange. So, ABC, 3 members are there. How many ways you can arrange them? 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial is nothing but when you expand 3 factorial, what you will get? 3 into 2 into 1. That is what 3 factorial. What you will get? 3 into 2 into 1? 6 ways. Okay. So, whenever you see arrangement, arrange 4 members. How many ways you can arrange? 4 factorial ways. Arrange 10 members. How many ways you can arrange? 10 factorial ways. That's it. Okay. Whenever it comes to arrange, how many ways you can do? The number of numbers. Okay. That is the given one. And when it comes to words, which will be different, that we will see in examples. Okay. Done. So, first we will compare permutation and combination. Permutation is selection and arrangement. Combination is selection alone. So, that is what I told you. Permutation means you have to select people and then assign them to a certain job. When it comes to combination, just selection and you are just picking the people. So, you have a formula. We are not going to use formulas here. Anyway, you should know NPR. This is the format. P, permutation, N and R is, N is total number of people. I told you we are going to select 2 members out of 5, no? So, here N is the total number of objects. That is nothing but total number of people out there. And R is how many people I am going to take from them. Okay, that is NPR. So, N factorial divided by N minus R factorial, whole factorial. Okay, that is the formula. We are not going to use formula here. Okay, anyway, you should know this formula. When it comes to combination, same C, NCR. So, C is combination. When it comes to combination, N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Because when it comes to combination means repetition should not be taken. So, you should not take repeated values. That is why you will have denominator R factorial. Again, total number of objects and how many we are going to take at a time is R. Okay, done. That's all the formula. We are not going to use formulas. I will tell you how we will solve permutation and combination. Done. So, select a captain and vice captain out of A, B and C. So, there are 3 members A, B and C. You have to select a captain and vice captain. How will you do? At the same time, when it comes to combination means, you will not select captain and vice captain. Here, select 2 persons out of A, B, C. The questions will be, you select 2 persons out of A, B, C means that is combination. Just you are selecting alone. And the same time, when it comes to select captain and vice captain means, which is you have to select two members as well as you have to assign them jobs captain and vice captain. That's it. Okay. Here see 3P2. So totally three members. I am selecting two members. So two members. First person choices are three members and second person choices are two members. This is what we have seen in principles of counting. Okay, listen here. In permutation, when you have 3p2 means 3 is to be reduced 2 times. What is the number down here? We have 2. So 3 should be reduced 2 times in factorial way. How will you reduce? 3 into 2. So 2 times means 3 into 2, totally 6 ways. We'll see. How will you select two members from ABC? I can select AB or BC or AC. This is the selection. Selection, when it comes to selection, AB is one pair, BC is one pair and AC is one pair. But arrangement, when selection and arrangement means, so AB can be A captain and B vice captain. If you turn it B captain and A vice captain. So total selection and arrangement means you will have AB and BA, AC and CA, BC and CB. So BC and CB here. Done. So when it comes to selection alone, AB, BC, CA. That's it. So CA and AC both are same when it comes to selection, but both are different when it comes to arrangement, because CA is C captain and A vice captain. AC means A captain, C vice captain. So how will you solve? 3p2, 3 should be reduced 2 times. When it comes to here, 3 should be reduced 2 times, same. But when it comes to combination, denominator is there because repetition will be there. AB and BA, you will select both. So that repetition, BA should be removed. That is why you have denominator. That denominator is nothing but factorial of the bottom value. So 2 factorial nothing but 2 into 1. Okay, done. So cancelling this, you will get 3 ways. Done. Next question, we'll see it in a question. Okay, so if you want to write this format here, means 3p2 can be written as 3c2 into 2 factorial. Nothing but you have to select 2 members. How will you select 2 members? 3c2 and arrange 2 members. 2 members in how many ways you can arrange? Here 3 members ABC means you can arrange 3 factorial ways. 2 members should be arranged, selected by 3c2, and I am arranging them 2 ways because 2 factorial ways. 2 members are there, so 2 factorial ways. Both will give you same answer 6. Okay, here 3c2 is 3 ways, right? 3 into 2 factorial is 2, 6. Anyway, you will get same answer. Now listen here. In how many ways 4 members be selected from 6 members and assigned to 4 different designations? So 4 members should be selected from 6 members and assigned to a different designation, which means you have to select 4 members as well as arrange those 4 members. Then here, look here. In how many ways 4 members can be selected from 6 members? That's it. You have to select 4 members out of 6 members. So how will you select? 6C4. Selection means combination. 6C4. So you have to reduce 6 4 times, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, as well as 4 factorial in the denominator, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3 will get cancelled, 2 with 6, 3 will be there, 3 into 5, 15 ways. When you get 6C4, which means 4 is more than the half of 6, right? Am I right? 4 is more than the half of 6. So more than half of 6 means you can inverse it. 6 minus 4, you will get 2. You can write it as 6C2 because these 4 3 will get cancelled anyway. If you have, if the number in the bottom is more than half of this means you can change 6 minus 4, you will get 2. That 2 you can place here. Okay, 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. Anyway, you will get 15 ways. So selection means 15 ways. So you can select 4 members from 6 members in 15 ways. When it comes to here, permutation, I have to select and arrange. Selection is 15 ways, we know that. Arrangements 15 ways into 4 factorial, that is permutation. Directly in permutation 6p4, 6 should be reduced 4 times. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, which is equal 360 ways. We know that from principles of counting, there are 4 designations are there, 4 places are there, 6 people are there, means what is the first choice? First person choice 6. You have to select 6 persons. Out of 6 persons, you can select 1 person for the first job. You will have 5 choices for the second, 4 choices for the third, 3 choices for the fourth. So that is here 6p4 means you have to reduce 6 4 times. That is direct answer permutation. If you want to solve using combination means you have to select 6c4. So you have to select 4 members and then arrange those 4 members in 4 factorial ways. Both will give you same answer 360 ways. Okay, that's it. This is the difference between combination and permutation. We are going to solve examples with that. Before that, types of arrangement is there. I told you arrangements. So arrangement means we are assigning different places to a particular crowd. Okay, here arrangement can be done in 3 different types. So first type is linear arrangement. Linear arrangement means we are arranging people in line, rows. Okay, done. So how will you arrange? N members or n letters can be arranged in n factorial ways. That is what we saw. 3 members arranged in 3 factorial ways. 4 members can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So which means if you have letters, you can arrange in. So how many letters are there in that word? That many ways. Here example. In how many ways one can arrange the word merit? So merit has 5 letters. Okay, 5 factorial ways. If there is repetition in letters means you have to use denominator. That is what we told in combination. When will denominator will come? When it comes to combination. Combination means the repetition. You have to remove repetition means you have to use denominator. Here there is no word, no letter repeated. So 5 letters are there. This can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Circular arrangement. When it comes to circular, n members can be arranged in n minus 1 factorial ways. When it comes to circular, you cannot arrange until you fix a particular person. If you fix a particular person, remaining persons can be arranged. Okay, that is why we have to remove a person's count from the total number of people. Here, in how many ways can 6 members can be arranged in round table? In a round table, you have to arrange 6 people means you have to fix a person. So remaining how many people are there? 5 members. You can arrange those 5 members. So 5 factorial is the answer, which is nothing but 6 minus 1 factorial, which is 5 factorial ways. Next, last one is necklace arrangement. So you might have seen the necklace part, right? So which means if you go and see goldsmith, they will make one side of the necklace and then the same copy will be opposite for the other side. So which means twice. So this can be solved. Necklace is also circle, which means you have to reduce 1. So there are n beads can be arranged in n minus 1 factorial ways. It is circle, but so one side alone they will design, so both the sides. That is why we have to divide by 2. The formula is in how many ways that 11 beads can be arranged in a necklace. There are 11 beads. In how many ways you can arrange means you have to fix a bead and then remaining 10 factorial ways you can arrange. And the same time divided by 2 when it comes to necklace, because both sides are there. One side alone they will design. So the other side is also same, which is copy of that. So we have to reduce that copy. That is why we are using denominator 2. Okay, that which is nothing but 2 factorial. Anyway, you will get 2 as the answer. So 10 factorial divided by 2 ways. So that's all the thing you need to know about permutation and combination.